special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty and Carty with another repair video, and this time it's a Stetson. Oh, I have stuff falling on this amplifier. EX3000 EQ, and this is the 1 ohm version, as it says here. Expert line. Yeah, I do a couple of these already. But this one, oh yeah, this fall out from this. Wow, as you guys can see here. This one has a power supply issue. Power supply burnt out. As you can see here, guys. Yeah, that power supply is toast. Oh yeah, it's really toast. Yep. So, all right, let's go ahead and take it apart, guys, and see what else, what other surprises I have along the way and stuff like that. Yeah, I got this one in not too long. Okay. I'm going to take let me show you this a little bit here. Take these apart right here. So guys, yeah, always leave this front piece on the front face panel. Yeah, leave that on. You don't have to take that one off. Back here now you need to take off the door. You see? Yeah, you don't have to unplug the fan at first. Forgetting which screwdriver I should use to take this apart. But yeah. Alright. Go back the camera. Guys. So alright. Oh man. One of the yikes is broken, but I'm going to adjust another little problem with it. One of the switch here knob is broken off, so I think I have a man. Wow, it's a good thing I have a whole Stetson that I can get this turning knob from. Yeah, guys, one of these are broken. Some strange reason. But this guy, this is how the chassis look. See the burn spot of the area there. Alright, so I'm gonna put that aside for now and start with the real. Oh boy, thanks. This down. Always mess me up. Alright, guys. So this is how the circuit board looks, just like this, and the back of it look like this. Alright. Eat up this, turn this all there. No. Yeah, this amplifier was under a lot of stress. I could see from here, guys. This is the this was burnt up. Yeah, this amplifier was under a lot of stress. Jeez. Wow. Okay, guys. So I check the output there. Okay. But Sometimes you never know. This water supply is toast. So as I said, one of these, let me see if it's only one or two. One, two. Right here, the circuit is cut. The trace is cut for really. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. As I said, this camera, I don't know, it's not that good on focus for some strange reason. Ay, ay, ay. So now, let's see what we have dealing with here, guys. So I know that it's bad. We have some resistor here, which I'm gonna have to take these old guys, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the circuit board, and then I get back to you guys when I'm, reinstalling the power supply MOSFET. And this uses the IRF 1404. IRF 1404, and it uses like 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right, guys. I'll be back. And man, this fan taking a lot of dust. Look at this here, guys. Look at right here. Jesus, that's dirt right there. A lot of dirt. Sorry, guys. And guys, there's a little trick I do to find out if the fan is bad. I gently blow on it and see if it moves. And this one I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm going to have to replace this. This one is melted. One of the blade is melted. Yeah, it's definitely melt. So yeah, 'cause this when these burnt, these smoke up, guys. A lot of these you could see fire like blazing. So yeah, I have to replace this fan. Wow, I wonder if I have one. Yep, that's not good. That's bad. Yep. So guys, I'll be back. So I'm gonna remove these MOSFET and get back with you guys. So guys, circuit board is now clean. Yeah, you can see I washed the circuit board. Everything's looking nice and clean. Okay, guys. So now let me tell you guys, you have the gate resistor. This one is R111. That one is bad. And gate resistor, where is it again? And gate resistor R114. That one is also bad. And gate resistor, what's this? R10 is also bad. And those resistors are 10 ohm resistors. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the circuit board and install some new ones. Right. Yep. Yeah. I know this sample would come with some surprises. It wouldn't be an easy fix. Gate resistor. Oh my words. And this gate resistor, guys, the number on it is 100. So 100 is 10 ohms. If you see 1000 at 100 ohms, 102 is also 100 ohms. Yeah. So that's so yeah. So you know the value of it, guys. See, I have a couple here, guys, in these little. Oh, I see one follow just now. Couldn't wait. All right, don't worry, you're going. You're getting there. Oh wow, should be more than one that fell out. Oh yes, all three fell out that I needed. So yeah. Yes. Let's make sure I get this. Okay. So first, guys, I'm gonna put one this on the circuit board because I didn't take this out and use this little point sharp pointed. Yeah, this can be a little tricky, guys. So let me put a little tin in this and hold it into position, and then I solder it. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Yeah. So as I do that, yeah, let's come up the line now. And do another one right here. This gate with this is 10 ohms, so yep. Come on. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. Oh man, almost. Come on. This thing is moving all around for some strange reason. Yikes. Da, 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 da. Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, come on. Right. Here. Okay. That's good there. What I do, guys, I saw that across because it's closer. These are really close and tiny. The space between we should solder it. It's really close. Right, so that should be that one right there. So let me give it a little tuning. Right. Okay, so I put in all three, which one left over that wasn't supposed to. I'm not going to use right now. Follow the package, put that there. And these are the Mosfets I'm going to use, as I said, 1404, IRFB 1404. I mean IRF 1404, guys. Saying B, these are not the output. Yes, these are, yep. And these one I got from GNX store on AliExpress. So one of these is not properly clean. It's got a lot of trouble to go inside. Oh. It looks like everything is okay from this side. Why is it doing that? Right. Now, little trick, guys, what I normally do. If one leg is not going down, you put the solder to it and go down with it. Alright. I think that's far enough. Yep. And then do a little bend. Yeah, up like that. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let me solder these so they don't come apart while I'm going up the line. These will give me some. Right, so guys, I'm gonna install these and then I get back to you guys. So I think basically maybe that's it, but no. What I'm thinking I'm going to change this switching IC here that sends 5 volts to the Mosfets. Yeah, I normally replace it because the way this amplifier goes down. Yeah, I normally replace this, and this one is the IR 4427S. Yeah, 4427S. Yep. So yep, I'll get back to you guys shortly. Okay, guys, here's a bench test of this amplifier. Guys, just to tell you something, guys, I don't know what's wrong with YouTube, but they copyright a lot of these videos that I do with this song, and it says free background music, so I don't know what to do for these guys not to. But they put copyright on them for some reason, but we're gonna dispute it whenever I have time. I don't have the time now to dispute it, guys. Just letting you guys know, you know, no matter where you try sometimes Makajuk. I don't know why they do that. And they have it up on their thing said free background music. And I'm using their music and they still, it sucks, but whatever. Carty for the Stetsom EX3000 EQ 1 ohm version of this amplifier. And that's it, guys. Successful repair. I'll talk to you guys on the repair. Let's turn it off for now. So R6 IRF 1404 and resistor, the gate resistor, that's the 10 ohm resistor for the gate. I replaced like 1, 2, 3 of them. Yeah, I replaced 3, and I did replace the IC right here, the switching IC. I call it the switching IC. That's the IR 4427S. Yes, I did replace it because one of the lead was leading right to one of the gate resistor that was burned. So sometimes maybe under stress, even if it was reading good, I would still replace it just because sometimes you never know it's under stress because at least it's leading right from where that damaged stuff is. So yeah, I just replace it just in a way because sometimes it's under stress, no, you fix it, you give it to the customer, they bring it right back to you saying, something, and then you realize that's what giving trouble. It happened to me already, so I learned like stuff that connected to that, yeah, I replace it, the nearest, and then, but guys, it was a successful repair. I didn't replace any output Mosfet, but this one, which is good. And yep, this amplifier really run really hot. This coil really run hot. I don't know why sometimes, but they do. Guys, that's it for this repair, and thank you guys for watching. This was another successful repair, as I said, guys. So right now, that's it. Carty and Carty out for now, guys, and see you on the next one, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and then see you on the next one, as I said, guys. All right, really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos. All right, give you another little look at the little good view of this amplifier, and guys, yep, it's a beauty. All right, guys, thank you, and see you on the next one, guys. Really appreciate you guys.
Special delivery.